Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Kita ko birthday mo raw.
Greetings!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday po!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Ayan, maingay kami dito kasi nagse-celebrate kami dahil birthday mo. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday ha, at you make sure na mag-ingat ka, sundin yung payo sa'yo ng iyong mga magulang, you stay safe, wash your hands lagi, kumanta ng happy birthday 2 times, and then yun na.
Happy birthday, Nur! Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Love ka namin, love kita. Nur, happy birthday! Bye, magpakain ka naman. Happy birthday! Ingat ka lagi dyan. Bye-bye. Mwah!
Hi Amira, happy birthday sa'yo. Sana bigyan ka panigad ng maraming birthday, isang malusog na pangatawan, isang malusog na relasyon sa pamilya, at higit sana sa iyong karelasyon ngayon. Stay strong. Bye!
Happiest birthday to my dearest friend, Amira. I am so lucky to have such wonderful, great friend like you in my life. Wishing you endless joy and exciting journeys ahead. At sana ma-achieve mo lahat ng mga goals mo sa buhay. Good health and more birthday to come. Once again, happy birthday to you. Be safe always. Love you.
Happy birthday, Amira. Wish ko para sa'yo, sana bigyan ka ng magandang kalusugan at marating mo lahat ng mga pangarap mo sa buhay. God bless you and more birthday. Come in your life. Ingat palagi.
Happy birthday, Amira! God bless you! More come to birthday. Sana ipagpatuloy mo ang iyong mabait at manawin sa mga tao. God bless you and happy birthday.
Hi Amira, aka Abubakar. Happy birthday and Happy New Year.
Hi Amira, happy birthday. God bless. Magka-birthday pala tayo eh. Sana magpakasal na kayo ni Gio ha.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
A few moments later, 2,000 years later, one eternity later.
Ayan, gusto ko pong bumati ng happy birthday sa aking pinakamamahal na Princess Amira. And happy birthday sa iyo, mahal. Sana madagdagan pa yung mga blessing mo sa buhay. At sana good health din, syempre, para magkita pa tayo sa dulo. Papakasalan pa kita, mahal, kaya kailangan ingatan mo yung sarili mo. Sana maging masaya ka sa birthday na darating sa'yo. Ayan, maraming salamat din sa pagdating mo sa buhay ko. Maraming nagbago. Kasi nga, in love na naman daw si Gio. Yan lang, maraming salamat sa pagmamahal mo. Mahal, I love you so much.